Hello YouTubers, Dave out in Western Pennsylvania. I work with, among other things, 6 and 12 volt lead batteries, rechargeable. Here we have a 12 volt. I normally pop them open and remove this the seal and neutralize with aqueous bicarbonate the gel acid within, the electrolyte within, and I then recharge them, refill them with thixotropic agents, gels that I produce. A thixotropic agent is like ketchup. You shake it, it liquefies, and in minutes it'll go back to a gel. And I've developed one using colloidal silica, so-called sodium sulfonosuccinate, which is used in personal care products, and some aluminum sulfate. And I'm able to go to an extremely low state of charge without damaging the battery, at least through 15 or 20 cycles of charge-discharge. Anyway, here I have a 12 volt power source. This one was not opened. It's sealed, factory sealed, a 12 volt. And I have an aluminum block as a heat sink, and I have paste under it for distributing the heat. And what I have there is a 12 volt, 10 watt 3x3 array, a 3x3 array of LEDs. These can be obtained on eBay for, if you're in the right place at the right time, for about $1.50 each, post-paid to the United States from China. And that 3x3 is hooked up in series and parallel, and I would not use it without a power driver. The power drivers you can obtain, I did not solder this one. The power drivers are about 35 cents each if you buy 10 at a time, and the power driver will allow an input of 12 volts AC or DC, and the output current will be 600 milliamps. If you go above that, you're risking damage or destruction of the LED light source. So I will show you this, and you don't want to stare directly at this lighting. You can risk damage to your retina. But let me hook it up and give you an idea of the luminosity. And what I use as a shade is a tea strainer, metal tea strainer. Now this can produce incredible luminosity. So in villages where they don't have access to a power grid, or if it's unreliable, they can charge up the 12 volt battery during the day and then have enough lighting for homework or reading for 5 hours. I haven't done a complete discharge run yet, but we'll start with the conventional sealed, and then I will replace it with my gel electrolytes, which should allow a significant state of discharge without doing damage to the battery. But this is an inexpensive lighting source, and you can get the LED and the power driver on eBay for inexpensive cost for some very spectacular lighting. And I'll remove the shield again one more time, and you would not want to look directly at that. And you want to have an aluminum block underneath, because this will get hot. You can very easily burn your fingers. So you have to have a heat sink. I'll keep you posted when I replace this 12 volt battery electrolyte with the electrolyte gels that I'm producing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.